I'll show you how to draw Super Mario easily. Start by drawing a straight line, followed by curved lines for Mario's face. Then, draw a curved line for his head above. Add 2 smaller curves for his ears. Draw a circle below the head for Mario's body. Then, draw 2 triangles for his arms. Then, draw rectangular shapes for his legs. Now it's time to add some details to Mario's outfit. Add circles for his hands. Draw a curved line for his hat. And add an M in the middle. Then, draw a circle for his nose, and 2 circles for his eyes. Then draw curved lines at the middle of his nose for his mustache, and close it with smaller curved lines, then, a curve for his mouth. Also, a pair of shoes. Once you're happy with your sketch, you can ink it with a black pen or marker. After the ink dries, you can erase any pencil lines that are still visible. Finally, color your drawing using markers or colored pencils. Mario's classic color scheme is red and blue. Tips for drawing Super Mario easily. Start with simple shapes. Drawing Mario is all about basic shapes. Start with circles, rectangles, and triangles, and then add details later. Practice, practice, practice. The more you draw, the better you'll get. Don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't look perfect. Keep practicing. Use reference images. If you're struggling with a specific pose or detail, look up reference images online. This can be a helpful tool for improving your drawing skills. Have fun,